Looks like Penelope and Jacob and Emily just wanted to be in part of the nature club. That's kind of cool. So I was a part of the nature club. It's kind of cool. Wait, are they going outside? You know, nature club is kind of fun. Like, you can check around these trees and grass and leaves and bushes. It's kind of fun, actually, not gonna lie. Oh, wait, they're coming outside. I have to hide. Alright, I have to use... So this is the hiding spot. But if they see me, then that's not good. I thought I felt a frog or something. I should hide on this side of the house. Oh my God! I thought Francesco was scaring me for a second. Oh, he's so cute. Hello. Hi, boy. Wanna go inside? I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna take him inside. So as you guys want to know, Eli left this helmet when he. Oh no, Eli left his helmet in the middle of the night, and he went back home and he left his helmet, and he left his helmet. So I think it's my job to give the helmet back to Eli. So wait, what? It's over there. It's over there at the park. So I should go over there, and I should go over there and go give Eli back the helmet. It's over here. I got a charger in my pocket. All right, there's his helmet. It's right here. Let me just flip the camera around. So, I got the helmet. It's right here. After when Eli left it in our backyard, because this is not our house anymore. We're moving, and yeah. All right, looks like I have to go. All right. I don't know where Francesco is. Oh, there he is. Francesco, I'm gonna go get the helmet back, okay? Stay there, okay? Forgot how to hold this. There we go. Maybe I should leave it on the front door, or I don't know, just give them to them. I think. I don't know. Guys, what should I do? He left his helmet. You know, I'm just gonna go give the helmet back to Eli. These three are doing the nature club sign, and they're just checking on the people. You know, I'll just leave it in the bench. His house is too high up or something. Okay, I'll just leave it on the bench. Let's put it here. No, it's Eli's helmet. He left it by mistake. I don't know what they're doing. I'm just gonna hide behind this bush. I'm just gonna spy on them. All right. I thought I feel like a rock. No, I thought I feel like a frog on my foot. Okay, there they are. What? Oh, there she is. It's kind of hard to see behind the sign in the car. And the Jeep. How do the teachers like getting mail? Nope. What are they doing? Oh, there's Francisco there. You know, I like nature. So guys, comments down below if you like fall, nature, or winter. Comments down below. Because I don't like winter. I don't even like nature. I heard a fly. I don't know where I heard it. Well, as you know, I got a little power mode. I don't know what are these things on the wall. That is so weird. There's Penelope and Emily, and Jacob. He's over there behind this tree. They're trying to do nature club. I'm gonna go see what they're up to. Ow! What did I just... Oh my god. You know what? Yeah, they're doing some signs for nature. The nature is kind of, yeah, the nature is kind of beautiful and nice. And you don't need our jackets on. It's just, this is what a part of nature, you guys. This is what a part of nature. Just feel the wind and the air and feel the nature. And the leaves are on the ground. There's a bunch of leaves. Okay, I'm coming. Really? Oh god. And sticks. So they're holding a nature club sign. That's kind of cool. You know, if only I had a nature club sign paper, so I can go join them. It will be pretty cool. It will be pretty cool if you go join the natures to them. Join in. Yeah, let's. You know, I'm just gonna go see what they're up to. Coming. I know. Don't need to ask. What is Jacob sitting? What is Jacob just trying to sit? Why is Jacob sitting there? Super weird. And trees and leaves. This is what a part of nature. And grass and... not hurting nature. Well, what do you guys think? I'm not even hurting nature. I bet they're just lying. I bet they're just lying about feeling... I'm not even hurting nature. What do you guys think? Am I hurting nature or not? Because, am I hurting nature? I don't think so. And plants, just kind of... The plants are beautiful because when you water them, it grows. And he just left his helmet. Should I go get the helmet back to Eli? Because I think I should go give helmet back to Eli because why? He brought this helmet, which is kind of cool. All right. Yeah, I should go give this helmet back to Eli because he left this helmet right here. He left this helmet in our backyard. So I'm gonna end this video here. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you all later. Bye.